Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. I am back in town, got in early this morning, and there's so much going on I couldn't wait to get here to see what's being done. So it is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. So I left last Thursday evening, went out of town till this morning, and I didn't think the scaffolding would be done this quick. As you can see, the lanai doors are completely exposed, and there's just this little area just down below the opening of the doors. So remember, they take it apart one piece at a time, and when it's up really high, they pass each piece down to the people down below. So that's a very hard job, time consuming. That's crazy how they do that. All right, gives us a good view. I'm not sure how well you can see this. So all right, right there, that's going to be like a Raiders image store, and then right above that is that's going to be the main entrance. That's the main north entrance. And I'm going to pan up, and we're going to try to look through the reflection, or through the glass. I don't know how well you can see it on here. You can see the silhouette of the torch. So you can see the big oval thing sticking up if you look it through, and the way you can see the roof, you can see some of the cables, and then right in front, that is the torch. I don't know if it's completely in there or not. I thought it was supposed to be one big piece. So the torch is going in, the main torch. And then I can also see reflections inside. It's to the left of the torch, but inside, but I can see it through the glass. I don't know if you're gonna be able, if I can pick this up in this video, but you can read the Allegiant Stadium on the inside. Oh, there it is, I can see it. So that's the sign that is mounted by the main video screen on the south end. I forget the renderings or some of the pictures if it's above or below the screen, but we can see through. I'm just wondering at night, if they have lights on in there, then this torch, we should be able to see it better through the glass. But this thing's coming along. We got a little over 2 months when it's supposed to be finished. Remember, it's supposed to be done on, or turned over on July 31st. I'm trying to figure out what they're working on here. So you can see the two guys standing up there. That's going to be stairs going up to the main entrance there. I know they gotta get the forms put in. Alright, if we go up, also you can see the panels going in, the raised panels. So this is pretty much because of the scaffolding, they had to wait to finish, getting this finished look on this front part below the lanai doors. So we got this yellow stuff. It's like a fiberglass insulation panel that goes underneath. know, I know a lot of people watching my videos and they probably laugh that I don't know what I'm talking about and a lot of stuff, but remember, I'm just a regular Raiders guy taking video to show everybody. I'm not a construction guy at all, so. But thank you for the input when I do get it. You know, let me know what stuff it really is. But it's kind of hard for me to bring someone around with me or ask questions before, because I'm just here looking and just giving observations of what I'm seeing, you know, live. So sorry if some of you construction people don't like the way I'm presenting it, but that's the way I do it. All right, from the Raiders cam this morning, you can see they were pouring a lot of concrete on this east side. Still waiting to hear about how these games are going to go this season. Now, see, I did come back early. We weren't supposed to be here until probably Monday. But the casinos, some of the casinos are going to be opening soon. So they're testing all their employees for the virus. So that's why we had to come back. My wife actually had to get tested. We didn't notice they were going to do this, so we had to come back early, so she had to go get tested this morning. They're doing every employee. So hopefully the casinos open quick and they get all this stuff under control. Alright, so I did get some footage. It's not really long video, but one of my viewers, he was kind enough to send me some footage. He was down close to the field tray, so it shows a nice perspective of it. You can see just the tray itself, like the sides of it, how thick it is, and then just a good view of the sod that they put in. So I'm gonna try to send my drone up, and then I'm gonna also show that footage to see, so you guys can see, because it's a view that I've never saw before. So thank you for that, and I will add that in there. And if we look at this, this would be the northwest corner. You can see they're getting some more of the fencing put in down that way. And this looks kind of like it's recessed, like the walkway down in there goes down, then it's going to come up around the higher on that west side. Okay, let me go to the west side. We'll send the drone up. I'm going to show you that extra footage I got, and we'll see what they're doing down that way. Alright, this is still the north end. I'm right on at the fence. You see these guys really taking the stuff down fast.
Hey, what's up, boss? Hey, where's the car?
If we look at where they're putting the raised panels, see them brackets sticking out there? That's going to be the other Allegiant Stadium sign that goes on this north side here. Alright, I came down here. I wanted to see if we can see the torch better, but there's just too much reflection on the glass. Can't really see it. I can see there's all kinds of scaffolding around it on the inside. But then if we look at the main entrance here, they moved the gates for the workers to get in right to the front entrance. So this would be the way we will all be coming also if you're coming through the north end. So this used to be on that northwest lot down that way. down over that way off of that Aldebaran. They just moved it right here to this main entrance.
Sprinklers are on too.
Okay, I'm now on the west side towards Russell Road, so this would be looking at the south end. So I just sent the drone up. You can see all the grass that's done, which there's already footage all over the internet, but I just had to get my own look. But you can see them working from the drone footage around all the utility boxes that are down this way. They're working on getting all the fencing put around that. They're getting posts in and get all that finished to seal that off. And then this side here, you can see the fencing around the filtrate area. They don't have all this side in yet, but then along the south end and a little bit of this west side, they got some there. But so that's going in. So the way it looks, once they take this construction fencing down along the street, it appears like we're going to be able to walk in that way. That, you know, you'll be able to walk up to that fence and look down inside, which is cool. You know, they're not going to have it all blocked off. So we'll be able to see once they paint the field, get that Raider shield on the center there. That's going to be a cool picture from there. Alright, we're still walking down this west side. I just wanted to show you the reflection again. If you look at these 4 palm trees, you can see the full field tray reflection. All the grass. And then you can also see on the bottom, underneath the white light stripe, if you see the reflection, it looks like, I don't know, probably can see it better from the drone footage, but it looks like they got some kind of concrete sidewalks there, and then they got, from here it looks like a blue tarp. It's kind of hard to make it out, but they got something covered up. Probably, I don't know if it has a finish on there. They don't want to get it messed up. Alright, this is more towards the west side. Still on Polaris. I just want to show this panel. Not sure what they're working on here, but so just the way the one panel's out. I don't remember if there was a damaged panel on this side. We got that one's gone. Everything else on this side looks really good. If we look under the Allegiant Stadium sign there, and we got some guys on break, but again, that's where I think the VIP door is going to be. I just saw the one guy coming out of there, but I think he just came out that way for a break. Okay, guess that's all I got for my first day back. I will be going to the headquarters tomorrow since we're at the 10 days till completion. So we're gonna go see. I did hear from a lot of my followers that they put the shield up on the front of the field house. So we're gonna go check it out and see how much is done. 10 days, they're running out of time. Alright, if you're not subscribed and you want to keep getting updates, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. So I'll be doing the stadium, the headquarters, and just any other odds and ends stuff. So be greatly appreciated. Alright, Raider Nation, everybody stay safe and thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.